Okay, so I'm in the bird area here at the Los Angeles Natural History Museum. So yeah, these are all sorts of different creatures here. So we have the Australian pelican has the largest beak in the world at 18.5 inches. The emperor penguins are the deepest divers in the water. They are known to dive up to 840 feet. The hummingbird has the smallest egg, and the ostrich has the largest egg among living birds. Ostrich eggs weigh over 3 pounds. Extinct elephant birds of Madagascar had eggs weighing up to 18 pounds that were 13 inches long. That is a big egg. That's a tiny, that's the hummingbird egg. That's so little. And that is an ostrich egg. For altitude high flying, the barbed head goose wins at 29,000 feet over the Himalayan mountains in Asia. Wow. It says at 12 feet long, the longest wingspan prize goes to the wandering albatross of the southern oceans, 12 feet. Wow, this is really cool. So these are like the awards for things that could... Winning the longest beak compared to body size medal is a sword-billed hummingbird. Wow, look at his beak. That is very impressive. It says, did you know the wings of male ruby hummingbirds may beat more than 100 times a second during flight? 100 times a second during flight. That's pretty impressive. It says, Wilson storm petrels are thought to be the most abundant bird. An estimated 100 million of these birds wander the world's oceans. Wow, 100 million, that's quite a bit. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, what other cool birds do we have here? Woodpeckers. It says, woodpeckers, such as the northern flickers, have the longest tongues, which enable them to reach insects deep in crevices. Okay, that makes sense. In 180 miles per hour dive, the peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on Earth. Okay. Let's see what else we have here. At 300 pounds and 40 miles per hour, the ostrich wins place in the largest living bird and fastest runner categories. The American flamingo gets the prize for the longest neck and legs compared to body size. Okay, American flamingo. Award of distinction for the longest feathers goes to the phoenix fowl, a breed of domesticated jungle fowl with a tail up to 35 feet. Wow. 35 feet. It's pretty impressive. Okay. Let's see what other fun things we can find here regarding birds. Wow, I didn't realize. So this is like a habitat. Guessing what the habitat is. I didn't realize this place was so large. Okay. Too many to read, but these are all the different types of birds here that you can see here in these exhibits. Everything from a common raven to a finch. These are more birds. Like I said, there's quite a bit here. Quite a large amount. There's a lot.
Look at the Roadrunner. The Roadrunner.
There's a lot of animals here, my goodness. Birds of the world. Wow, I didn't realize there were so many. A turkey vulture. More birds here. There's more bird stuff here. Wow, there's so many different bird things. Okay. Welcome to the Dino Lab. Fossils are being prepared in this lab have been excavated from all over the world, even Antarctica. Wow.
T-Rex teeth.
That's what I was thinking. It might be too.
Yeah, I don't think they're about that. It would just crumble. No matter how much.
These are replicas of an upper jaw bone and teeth of a T-Rex.
Look at them. This is a hereditary. 150 million years old. Duck-billed dinosaur shoulder blade. Now, Walter, these Jurassic fossils were found in the back. Come on, folks, we're waiting.
Move it, people!
Okay, let's go.
Who's from my dad? Oh, right. Let's go, David.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Bugtopia. Wow. Butterfly Spider Pavilion. Wow, this place is so large. North American Mammal Hall. Oh, there's so much at this museum. It is unbelievable. Wow, here we go.